NeutrinoParticles is unified particle effects development tool. You create effect once and export it to as many platforms and languages as it supports. Effects are exported directly to source files. These files describe behavior of particles in a form of programming algorithms. They have very small size, and after compilation or translation, these effects become highly optimized piece of code. Currently, NeutrinoParticles supports export to JavaScript and C# languages, and there are available several open source renderers for popular engines like Unity or PIXI. C++ and Java export will be also available in the nearest future. Creating effects in NeutrinoParticles is a very iterative and fast process. You move step by step to achieve desired result by tuning different aspects of particles' behavior, like their starting position, movement, color, transparency, etc. To make that, you can use Emitter guide with familiar and intuitive user interface, or Emitter Scheme, which is a backend of Emitter guide and very flexible, advanced way of describing effects. And of course, there are a set of very handy tools in the editor, like Path Editor, Area Editor and Graph Editor, which significantly decrease time of development. You can add basic physics and even turbulence in a couple of clicks. It is possible to attach emitters to particles and even pass any parameter to them from parent particle, like color or size. Also, there is a mechanism which makes linked copies of emitters, called reflection. You can reflect emitter, override something specific to this new emitter, like starting position, and continue to develop source emitter. New emitter will reflect all your changes, instead of those are overridden. Almost any parameter in emitter you can expose to programming interface to change them in real time from your application. You also may find useful such must-have functions like undo and autosave, so even after crash you can continue to work on unsaved effect. There is also textures auto-reloading in background, so you can draw textures for particles and watch the result in the editor on the fly. When you downloaded the editor, you can find a rich set of sample effects coming with it. And there are detailed video tutorials on the website to help you to get started. NeutrinoParticles project is in active development and new versions are coming very often, so please subscribe to the newsletter or follow us in social networks to stay in touch and don't miss new great features.